Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 4.4 fifth problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter is 80 meter and the area is 400 meters square, that is perimeter is equal to 80 meter and area is equal to 400 meters square. These two given in the question. If so, find its length and breadth. You have to find the length and breadth. So first I am going to take the length and the breadth be x and y. The length of the park be x and the breadth of the park be y. I'm going to choose a two variable. After that I will convert it into a single variable. Clear? Length be x and breadth be y. Okay, here they mentioned that perimeter is equal to 80. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. This is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. Clear? So L is what? X. X plus Y is equal to 80. That is perimeter. Next, divide 2 by 80. 80 divided by 2. So x plus y is equal to 40. X plus y is equal to 40. Then x is equal to 40 minus y. X is equal to 40. We got the value of x from the perimeter value. Okay. The another side is area. Area is equal to 400. What is the formula for this? Side into side. Sorry, L into B. That is area of the square formula. L into B, length into breadth is equal to 400. That is x into y is equal to 400. Clear? Clear all of you? You have any doubt Kanna? X into y is equal to 400. We got xy is equal to 400. By using this 2, I'm going to substitute the value of x here. 40 minus y is equal to 400. Then you have to write this in the form of quadratic equation. 40y minus y square is equal to 400. So minus y square plus 40y minus 400 is equal to 0. Here I have negative, so I'm going to divide by negative. Y square minus 40y plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. First we have to check whether we can whether it is possible or not. To find it is possible or not, what we have to do? We have to find the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, what we have to find first? We have to find the discriminant. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. The value of A is The value of A is 1 and the value of B is minus 40 and the value of C is 400. So minus 40 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. If you square this one, what you will get? 1600 minus 1600, that is equal to 0. You got equal to 0. Then what you will get? If you get discriminant is equal to 0 means the roots will be the roots of equation. The roots of equation are real and equal. Real and equal. The roots will be real and equal. So we can find the value of length and breadth. It is possible to design a rectangular park. Now we have to find the length and breadth. And by using the quadratic formula, I am going to find the value of length and breadth. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a quadratic formula. What is the value of b? Minus of minus 40 plus or minus root 0 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Then minus into minus plus is equal to 0. So I am not going to write that one. 2x is equal to 20. The two values are 20. Quadratic equation form in the variable y. So here don't write x, write y. Clear all of you? Next here also write y. Y is what? Y is a breadth value. Y is breadth value. Therefore breadth of the park is equal to 20 meter. And then length also we have to find. No, length, how we can find? Length of the park is equal to, here we have this value, no, x is equal to 40 minus y. Instead of y we can substitute 20 and we can find the value of x. X is nothing but the length of the park. This 40 minus 20 meter. Both length and breadth is 20 meter. We got the answer. So we can conclude that hence it is possible to design a rectangular park with length is equal to breadth is equal to 20 meter. Thank you.